Hello, I'm Terry Brinkley. I'm a swimming pool contractor in South Carolina. Been a contractor for 25 plus years building swimming pools. And over the years, I've pulled various trailers and different dimensions with tri-ball hitches. As I've used these, usually we have locks on them so people don't steal them or whatever the case may be. Sometimes the lock doesn't work or the keys broke off in it. The hitch won't come out sometimes. It's rusted. You have to beat it out. I created a device called the Switch Hitch. With the Switch Hitch, you can lock it in place. You don't have to worry about the key anymore. It stays in, and you can actually turn and switch from one ball to the next size without taking it out of your receiver. There's other tri-ball hitches on the market, of course, and there's some more on the market that actually can rotate and change to a different selection of ball sizes. But I wanted to make it where there was no mechanical pins or anything to lose. I created a spring-loaded indexing pin where there's moving parts, of course, but there's nothing to get lost and nothing to take out, no pins, Carter keys, or anything that you have to keep up with or replace. It's spring-loaded. You pull it up and you actually rotate it left or right to make the selection of the ball size for the trailer that you're pulling at that time. All right, let me explain to you how this is actually made, because this is going to be the most common question, and why is this more durable than the other ones on the market, or why is this one cost a little bit more than the one that I see at the major retail outlets? And this is the reason why. First, we start with a 2-inch bar of solid steel. We actually machine it down. You can see the machining down to 1.5 inch spear, and you can see the grease fitting that we put in here to ensure that we can rotate this product. And this is basically what we have, the shank and all, and what the new piece is going to slide on that's going to hold the actual balls on. So just wanted to show you how this part was made to actually the sturdiness of it and the strength of this versus a hollow piece of metal. The next piece that's going to hold actually the balls that are welded on is another solid piece of steel, the same as the original, but it was actually honed out to slide over the original part so it can allow it to rotate. The third piece of this product is the end cap, which is same 2-inch bar steel honed out to fit over the 1.5 inch cylinder that holds the end cap in. You'll notice on the end it's notched out for bevel welding, so this part is welded. And you probably ask yourself, well, is that strong enough to hold? Probably so, but we put one more feature in there to ensure that it will hold. Along with the weld is a solid pin that goes from one side to the other of the shaft to ensure that it cannot pull off of this shaft. Our fourth feature is the assembly with the spring-loaded action that actually is welded in and allows you to index each selection from one ball size to the next ball size through one indexing pin. To further ensure strength, you'll notice that the indexing pin is solid carbon steel. As Popular Mechanics wrote, and I quote, "Switch hitch is an ingenious time saver for trailer towing." This is your last hitch that you'll ever have to buy. It's the ultimate hitch. No pins. It's superior to the other hitches that's on the market right now. And once you use it, you'll never go back to the old hitch. I really hope that you'll buy one and give us a try. Thank you for your time and interest in our product.